guys, and today I will be building this Lego set. This is the Lego Technic 665 piece Jeep Rubicon. And I will be building it on camera in just a second. Cue. Start again. This is the finished product. This is it. It's kind of tiny. Back seat. Sorry, whatever. It's on the ground. It doesn't move up and down like this. It's supposed to be like that. Then you got suspension back here. Doors open. Hood opens and this. And that's basically all that can open. This another look. And honestly, building it was fun. I mean, because who doesn't like Legos? That was brickful. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Please like and comment, and subscribing would be brickful. Peace.